Sexy, functional, or charming. 3 homes, 3 lifestyles. Are you ready? One size does not fit all, especially when it comes to your home. And American Legend has the perfect fit and style right here at Wellington in Haslet, Texas. And once we finish touring these 3 homes, hop in the comments. Let me know which primary suite and which kitchen you like best. And you're going to want to stick with me to the end because I am going to share with you the things to do and the benefits of living here in Wellington. Let the tour begin. Ready to make your move? Let's connect. American Legend offers 34 floor plans, so when I say there's something for everyone, there really is. During this tour, I will point out impressive standard features and optional upgrades. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about the primary closet and the kitchen design. Let's step inside. If you don't want or need a formal dining room space, there is an option, and I will share that with you toward the end of this tour. As a standard, you will have carpet in the living area and tile in the entry, kitchen, breakfast nook, laundry, and wet areas, with other options if tile is not your style. You'll have furniture-style island with granite countertops as a standard with the option to upgrade to another stone. Your kitchen will have 42-inch upper cabinets with crown molding that adds elegance to the space, Whirlpool appliances, and so many other details that will just make this space a place that everyone will want to hang out and enjoy. Your outdoor space will depend upon the plan you select. It's Texas. In order to enjoy the space, add a ceiling fan underneath your patio. As a standard, you will have solid yard, front, back, side, 6-foot privacy fence, irrigation system with rain-free sensor, and professional landscape package, front and backyard. Now to your favorite place in the home, the primary suite. And look how sweet this space is. This is the place where you unwind after a long, busy day. And let's talk about your options. You can have it as you see it here, shower with a standalone tub, or you can have the option of removing that tub and extending the shower to that whole length of where that tub was. And as a standard, you'll have a shower with a drop-in tub. And we could talk more about those options later. But first, let's hop into this huge closet with the floor to ceiling storage like you'd find in a luxury home. I once had a client who, loved this exact layout except for one thing. The laundry room connects to the primary closet. At first, it gave him pause, even though there's a hallway door to access the laundry. He thought this particular configuration would impede upon his privacy. But here's what I've learned, and you probably know. Laundry rooms are one of the most overlooked spaces in the home. No one's casually passing through there. No one's hanging out, which means your bedroom is still exceptionally private. Now let's step out in the hallway and check out the rest of the home. This nice media or game room can be converted into an ensuite. And if having a bedroom and a bath is what's more important to you, then that formal dining can be walled off, doors added, and that would be your flex space, your media or your game room. You will have a private office with double doors. And take a look at the storage inside your office to help keep this space neat and tidy. 2 other generous bedrooms. And I always love showing closets because I know that for some of you, the closets are just as important as the space you rest and sleep. and a nice full bath. This home has energy efficient features, smart home technology. It's about 2,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a game room, and a 3rd-car tandem garage resting on a 60-foot wide lot. Starting price at around $547,000. Before we take a look at our second home on the tour, I want to take a brief pause to go over a few things that you should know before you go, or what I like to call, do the dollars make sense? And I'm going to share a true story with you where a person thought that they were going to save a lot of money, and you will realize it did not make sense at all. Now, to the things you should know before you go. The dollars, do they make sense? Whenever we cover these homes and we take these nice fun tours, we discuss price, but that is the base price. That's to get you through the door, into the neighborhood, and get you a home with all the perks and privileges of living in the community. But the reality is, chances are, you are going to want to have options in your home. You know you don't do anything basic. So yes, you're going to want premium things, which will cost premium price. Let's talk about it. For example, if you want a large lot, in Wellington, you can choose to build your home on a 40, 50, or 60-foot wide lot. Well, that's going to cost you more. The bigger the lot, the more the cost associated with the lot. And let's just say you want a room with a view. You want a nice view. Well, that's going to cost you a little bit more too. Oh, and the design center, that's the adult playground. For example, you want to choose your brick and stone. What color is the brick? What color is the stone? Those items could cost you more because those are options. You have basic, you have standard, but again, when was the last time you settled for basic? Your fireplace, the warm, cozy, it looks really nice and you really enjoy hearing the crackling of the embers. Well, that's an option. You can have it, you just have to pay for it. The mudroom, some plans, that's going to be an option. Your cabinets, your kitchen countertops, granite is standard. If you upgrade that, option. And then in the primary bathroom, you've decided you're just going to blow out the tub and extend your shower to the whole length of a wall almost. Well, guess what? You got it. Those are options. American Legend offers so many options. They really do have something for everyone. And if you want it, you can have it. You just may have to pay a little extra for it. Now, speaking of extras and what you can have, you already know you can have a 40, 50, 60-foot wide lot. Let's talk price, let's talk square feet. Well, you may decide, Tracy, I don't know if I want a 2,700 square feet home. Well, they've got you covered. You can build a home at around 1,600 square feet up to around 3,200 square feet. And price, you can actually get a home in Wellington with American Legend for under $400,000. And you can also get a home that's, well, almost $700,000. Again, that depends on your optional versus standard features and upgrades. Now to the real story. There was someone watching one of my videos. They love the community, they love the builder, gassed up the car and raced right over there directly with the salesperson and got their home under contract. Well, what this person did not realize is that there was so much more that she could have saved. What she was thinking is that she would just present to the builder, hey, if we don't pay a commission to a realtor, can you just, take that off the price of the home? Well, I believe the builder was much obliged because my commission was so much less than the additional incentive that builder was offering on the already reduced price. Now, when I say additional money off of already reduced, I'm talking $75,000 more this particular person could have gotten off of the price of the home, plus the builder was going to pay for my professional fee, aka commission. Builders understand the importance of advocacy and representation, and they will pay your agent to represent you. So I understand she thought she was really getting a deal if she were going to cut my commission out, but what she doesn't realize is that she left herself vulnerable and did not actually get all that she could have received on the price of her home. Now you tell me, saving those few dollars didn't make much sense. What do you think? Now let's take a look at the second home on our tour. Let's see what you think about this beautiful two-story home with 9 optional features. 8-foot mahogany front doors as a standard, along with brick front porches. This may be your first big decision, the secluded bedroom and bath. You'll have to decide who has earned this level of privacy, or if you should just leave this nice space for your guest. The kitchen in the first home was gorgeous, hands down, no discussion. But this one really speaks to me, especially if you have a number of people living with you. It just feels more functional. Ready for your next home? Let's talk. You have the option of removing some of these cabinets to create a bench. I don't know who would do that. And you have this really nice coat closet where you can even add more things, your mop and your broom. And take a look, drum roll please, at this really large walk-in pantry. Now this is comment worthy. Let me know what you think about this space where you can store, stash, and hide so many things. This backyard is going to offer the same standard features as the one we just saw, except the lot size is a 50-foot wide lot. But still, look at all that you can do with this space. In most homes, the fireplace is considered an optional feature. Let's take a look at your primary suite. This one is a little different from the first one because they have bay windows included in this particular floor plan, which just offers so much natural light, and you can actually see some nice views of your backyard right from the comfort of your bed. You do have options with the layout of your primary bath. This one has the drop-in tub with the surround, whereas the other one had freestanding tub. You can still, if you choose, have the option of where you remove the tub altogether and have one incredibly large shower. Now going down the road less traveled to one of the most private rooms in the entire home, you guessed it, the laundry room. And this one has pretty nice space. As a standard, you will have beautiful iron balusters with stained oak handrail and posts. Now, let's take a pause for our station identification. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize you can find out quite a bit online: bedrooms, baths, square feet, price. But what you may not be able to discover is how people really live their lives in our different communities, cities, and suburbs. Well, that's where I come in. I hop in the car and I drive around so you can have the bird's eye view, VIP access of how people really live their lives. And if you like to be in the know, then you're going to want to subscribe below, press the bell. You'll be notified anytime anything goes down around town. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Now back to the video. As a standard, you will have an open loft or game room. with nice storage to keep everything neat and in order. Now this is a bonus space. It's an option. You wouldn't normally have this in your home as a standard. But as you can see, you can have this as a relaxing media room, or you can change this space into a large ensuite. The rest of your upstairs features 2 generous sized bedrooms, impressive closets, and take a look at this nice bath between them. There are 9 structural options for this floor plan. This home has a little more than 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2-car standard with the option of 3-car garage. Now this home rests on a 50-foot wide lot with the starting price at around $519,000. There are so many other great things I want to share with you, but rather than cramming it all in one video, I decided to create a part 2. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as part 2 drops. And this is where we're going to talk about the benefits of building your home on a 40-foot wide lot. We're going to also tour our 3rd home. We're going to take a deep dive into the community of Wellington, where you will learn why people love living there and why now may be the best time for you to make your move. Watching videos is good, but having me represent you is even better. So grab a snack and come right back. I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And if now you are very interested in what Wellington has to offer, let's connect and discover if Wellington, or maybe one of our other communities, cities, or suburbs, is the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.